friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Hello Kitty. So first we're going to get started with the bow. So in the top right hand side, we're going to get started by drawing in a nice big circle. For the top of the bow, we're going to arch this line around and then in on the bottom. And then again, we'll move down on a diagonal, replicating that, curving this line around and then back in on the bottom as well. Now on the top, we're going to draw in another arch line, curving this line around and then in, and then moving down on the bottom. Let's replicate that again. Now from here, let's draw in the ear on the top. So we're going to curve this line out and then down on the right. Now we're going to draw on the top of the head. So coming up on a diagonal, we're going to curve this line over and out. For the left ear now, we're going to curve this line out and then in. Now before we draw in the rest of the face, we're going to come down and draw in the hands in front of the face. So coming down, leaving quite a big gap, we're going to draw in our right hand. So for the thumb, we're going to curve this line out and then in. For the bottom of the hand, we're going to arch this line around and then back up on the right. On top now, we're going to curve this line up and then in. And then moving over on the right hand side, let's replicate that, curving that line around and then down. Let's close off the side of the face now by arching this line around and then up towards the top. Let's move up above and draw in our eye. So coming directly up above, we're going to draw in an oval for our right eye. And then coming up on a diagonal in the middle, we're going to draw in a sideways oval for our nose. And then coming across on a diagonal, leaving an even gap, we're going to draw in another oval for our left eye. And now from here, we're going to draw in the hand holding in the phone. So to the left of this, we're going to draw in another bow. So leaving a gap, we're going to draw in a circle in the center. Moving up above on top, we're going to arch this line around and then in. And then we'll do the same thing on the side, curving this line around and then back in. Dropping down below, let's draw in our hand now. So we're going to curve this line up and then down on the left. And then moving in towards the middle, we're going to curve this line back around and then up on the side. For the phone, we're going to bring this line up and then in towards our bow. And then moving down in the middle, we're going to bring this line down and then back in on the bottom. Let's close off the side of the face on the top now. So from the corner where the ear is here, we're just going to arch this line around and then down. And then on the bottom of the face here, we're just going to curve this line over and across towards the right. Let's draw in the whiskers now. So on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line over. And then dropping down one more time, let's replicate that. On the left hand side now, we're going to arch this line over and out. And then moving down again one more time from the corner of our bow, we're just going to arch this line over. Now let's draw in the arm on the right hand side. So underneath, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line, curving this line around and then back up. For the dress on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then we'll do the same thing on the right underneath our arm, curving this line around and then down, ending this so it's at roughly the same height. Now from here, we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right, bringing that all the way over on the right hand side. Underneath now for the neck, we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then we're going to close off our left arm by arching this line around and then in towards the side. For the pockets now on the right hand side, we're going to arch this line over. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with a nice big arch line from left to right. On the left hand side now, we're going to bring this diagonal line in. And then from that corner, we're just going to curve this line around and then over. Let's draw on the right leg now. So we're going to arch this line out towards the side. And then starting back on this line, we're going to continue to curve this line up and then in towards the top right hand side. Let's move over on the left hand side. Now we're going to bring this line down and then in towards the middle. And that is it. That's how you draw Hello Kitty. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.